Here we are at the Mercure Grand Fortune Hotel. Check-in time 10 AM and check-out time a very comfortable 4 PM. We're here for a 2-day getaway, and at the present prices it's a real steal. But can it live up to its 5-star hotel rating at such a low cost? Let's find out. The cakes look nice and the lounge looks really comfy. One thing to take note of is that you have to show proof that you've been vaccinated. When we first booked this a few weeks ago and when we rechecked this morning, nobody said anything about that. Fortunately, they very kindly let us get in anyway. Nice recently renovated bedrooms, the beds are comfy and the bathroom's not bad. Traditional Thai gift shop right outside the hotel. You can get yourself a nice suit made, buy some gold, and then we're into the mall ATM, just a few steps away from the hotel. Our first trip out of the hotel after checking in, we decided that we would go upmarket, and do what a lot of tourists do when they come to Thailand, go straight to some Western food place, like for example here, Kentucky Fried Chicken, which, you know, a little bit of what you fancy does you good, as they say. And I've just seen probably the worst slogan I've ever seen in my life. When life hands you lemons, throw them back and tell life you want some fried chicken. That's what I did. If you know of any more stupid slogans than this one, let me know in the comments below. We're downstairs for happy hour now, that's from 5 till 7. And this is the happy hour menu. I'll give you a quick read. You've got your coffees, special alcoholic coffee, Irish coffee, royal coffee, teas, soft drinks, mocktails, draft beer, local beer, Singer, Heineken, Asahi Chang. And then you've got several blends of Scotch whisky and tequila. The most expensive one on the list is $1,200 for Chivas Royal Salute, 21 years old. And they've got great gins, my favourite Hendrix, which is $350. The average price is between $220 and $350, and the mixers are included in the price, so it's pretty good. Happy hour drinks is buy one get one free. FYI, if you want to know how big your shot is, that is a shot of Hendrix gin. That is my finger, so it's about one finger, which is more or less right. You just put the camera over there. This is one of the problems about staying here. Those traffic lights there going into town can take a bloody long time, and the traffic's usually very bad. So I suggest you get the MRT, which is very easy because it's right underneath the main road, and there's a connecting walkway underground from here. And you can actually get the MRT from there, and it's just 2 stops to get into the heart of town. So do that on your way in, and you can get a taxi back if you're coming out late. That's not a problem. Always remember, in a taxi, tell them to put the meter on. It starts at 35 baht, and if they refuse to put the meter on or give you a price, tell them to no thank you, and just get another cab. There's a lot of them. To stay here for a night, it will cost you 2,300 baht, which is not bad. But if you're here at weekends, you can add an extra 1,000 to that, and you'll get a buffet for two, so that's 500 baht a piece, which isn't bad. But like I say, that's just weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The thing is, it's good, and the location is perfect because you've got the shopping mall next door here, and then you've got another shopping mall which has got 300 shops, and that's not including Robinson's supermarket, which has got 5 stories, and then you've got Tops supermarket.
But rather than tell you, I got a motorbike taxi so I could show you how big the shopping malls are. Central Plaza on the left and Fortune Town and Lotus on the right, selling everything from top-of-the-range designer label clothes and other products, computers, computer games, mobile phones, camera equipment, musical instruments, amplifiers. There's even a shop that just sells ukuleles. You can also get vintage LPs, CDs, DVDs, record players, as well as second-hand goods including clothes and electrical equipment. And believe it or not, there's even a shop that sells fossils. You'll find me sat next to the cash register. I'm on sale this week with 25% off. And let's not forget the numerous food courts with restaurants selling Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, Indian, Western, and of course Thai food, to mention just a few.
They've even got second-hand shops where you can buy second-hand clothes and things like that. And they've got computer shops that do repairs, sell top-of-the-range computers, and also you can buy second-hand computers and stuff like that. From the lounge, we're now going up one flight to the second floor to the Chinese restaurant. It's called Nan Yuan.
This restaurant is definitely 5-star with an extensive menu, much of which you would expect in a Chinese restaurant, and some of the more exotic choices like steamed pig's ear, jellyfish salad, bird's nest soup, and frog's eggs. Eh? But we stuck with something simple, just scallops and fried rice, and the fried rice was bloody delicious.
It's morning, it's time for breakfast, and we're the only people here, I think. They do have English breakfast, but they don't serve bacon every day. It's not a massive selection of food, as you can see. There's no hams or cheeses, and watch out for the tea because they just keep topping the teapot up with water. Now, as some of you will know, this year is the year of the tiger. So that's why this tiger is behind me. But what I want to know is, why does it look like it's having a prostate exam? Let me know what you think. Maybe it's some kind of social comment about life as it is right now. So we're now going for the seafood dinner. And let's see if it's worth every penny. Okay, not bad. Yeah. Oh, I'm not sure about that. Oysters, dear me. Now, I definitely have to say that I'm well impressed with the layout. I really didn't expect anything like this. I know it's a little bit more expensive for your walk-in customers and stuff. I think it's about $7.99. I'll check that for you later on. But like I say, add an extra 1,000 baht to your night's stay at the hotel, and this is the buffet which you can have. And very comparable to some of the top hotels. Of course I haven't tasted it yet, so it could be shit, but we'll give it a shot. Does that view remind you of the movie Blade Runner? Or is it just me? I feel like I'm in a sci-fi movie with really good food. So to sum up, the hotel's nice, the bedrooms are clean and also nice. The only problem with the facilities in the bedroom is they have the soap is tiny and they have body wash, but it's just so thin. You need, for somebody my size, you need about 6 or 7 just to get a shower. Small potatoes. Breakfast, very basic. The buffet is bloody good, considering the price, of course. It's a little bit more expensive if you're not staying in that hotel. But it's, I would come back again for it. You've seen the pictures of it, so you'll know what I mean. I really enjoyed that. That was the highlight for me, if you like. Other than that, what makes this place a great place to stay is that it's just so, it doesn't look like it with all the traffic, but it is so ideally located because, as I said, the MRT, 2 stations away, it's you're in the center of the town, and the shopping mall across the road with so many things, and the shopping mall here right next to the hotel. I don't think there's anything else you could possibly want. It's got everything, you know, so for the price, it's really, really good. So if you've got any comments, I really would love to hear from you because it really does help me hopefully make better videos. And so until next time, health and happiness. Bye!